Ever wondered how computer programs work? How do they manage to solve complex problems so quickly and efficiently? Well, the secret lies in two fundamental concepts of computer science: data structures and algorithms, or DSA for short. Imagine DSA as the building blocks of computer science. Data structures organize and store data efficiently, like a well-arranged library. Algorithms, on the other hand, are step-by-step procedures for solving problems. They are the strategies one uses to find a specific book in that library. Output. Let's dive a bit deeper. There are various types of data structures, each with its unique characteristics. Take arrays, for instance. They're simple but powerful tools for storing elements of the same data type. Then we have trees that help in representing hierarchical data. Now, moving on to algorithms, you might have heard of sorting algorithms like bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, and more advanced ones such as merge sort and quick sort. These are just different ways to arrange data. Then we have searching algorithms like linear search and binary search that help us find elements in a data structure. You may be wondering how to hone your problem-solving skills using DSA. The key is to start with the basics. Understand the fundamentals of each data structure and algorithm. Practice is essential. Solve as many problems as you can on platforms like LeetCode and HackerRank. Once you've cracked a problem, don't stop there. Analyze your solution. Can you make it faster or use less memory? Engage with online communities, discuss solutions, and learn from others. When it comes to tackling problems on coding platforms using DSA, here are a few tips. Always read the problem statement carefully. Choose the right data structure and algorithm based on the problem's requirements. Break down the problem into smaller subproblems. This makes it easier to tackle and solve step by step. Don't forget to test your solution with different test cases to ensure its correctness and efficiency. In conclusion, data structures and algorithms are the backbone of computer science. They are the key to solving complex problems efficiently. Remember, the key to mastery is practice. So keep coding, keep learning, and watch as your problem-solving skills improve. Thanks for tuning in and happy coding.